guys think when you see an incredible looking pink Mustang like this? I hope you think just like I would. Welcome back everybody to Valvetronic Designs. This car is very special because it has the exhaust system that makes it sound as close to the Shelby GT350 with the Voodoo V8. You're gonna hear in this video how unique this S550 sounds. Infiniti G35 making unnecessary noise, needs mufflers. Now guys, this Mustang behind us, whether you have an S550 or an S650, this exhaust system, where it has the resonated H-pipe, gives you a very, very smooth sound out of your Coyote V8 that lends as close as possible in our development to the Shelby GT350 type of Voodoo sound. Those 5.2 liter V8s have an incredible wail, but they're quite smooth. The Coyote V8s are normally not that smooth, but this exhaust system is as close as we've been able to engineer to get you that GT350 sound. Come on inside, we're gonna meet the owners real quick of this frankly sensational looking vehicle. So these are owners of the car. We've got Con and we've got Mitch. And these guys wanted something very special. They wanted to try to achieve that GT350 type of sound. And what do you guys think? I think we've gotten pretty close, right?
Really close to the GT350.
Nailed it right on the head.
So the resonator casing with the H inside of it, that really gives you that smoothness, especially this car having headers. They get extremely loud. And of course, when you close the valves, you get that flexibility. So we're gonna show you guys all the sound characteristics today. Startup, revs, flybys. We're gonna go through all the sound characteristics, and you guys are gonna get to hang out with all four of us if we can pack in this car. We're gonna have a blast. And of course, we're gonna wrap it all together and put a GoPro on the rear bumper so you guys know exactly how good your S550 or S650 Mustang is gonna sound, as close to a GT350 experience as we can deliver. Let's get to it.
Sounds better than a GT350. That's crazy.
it's actually pretty reserved inside here. You do get some of the traditional Mustang less loudness because the car does have a set of which headers are these? These are some Cook's headers.
Cooks, yep.
So we're going to give you guys interior right now, just with the valves closed, so you can experience what this car is like with the headers and everything installed, but with the valves closed. You actually do get a good amount of noise in here. You get some good induction noise, which is fun. The car is not overbearing to where you couldn't drive it all the time. We really are smashed in here, so I guess this is the perfect daily vehicle. So what else is done to this car in terms of like engine mods?
It just has a Shoemaker Performance tune with the JLT intake and the ported intake.
It has ported intake and stuff.
Yeah, Gen 3 intake.
How long have you owned this excellent vehicle?
I've had this car for 2 years.
Okay.
I bought it bone stock.
Really? So you've
did.
done many, many things.
Yeah, I tried to.
That does. It makes things very interesting. That's for sure. Okay, let's open valves. So I'm getting that GT350 type of sound, especially with how aggressive it is. It doesn't really have that traditional Coyote type of sound, which is a lot more enjoyable, I find.
It's
also,
deeper.
The car is not overly raspy. I mean, these Mustangs, especially with other exhaust systems, Corsa, Borla, Magnaflow, they make some really nice systems, but the systems are pretty much unrestricted when the valves are open. They don't have this center resonator, so the cars get extremely raspy, which I think personally is not the best way to enjoy the car. Having this resonator casing really helps increase the quality of sound. Listen here against these buildings. That is pure GT350 rather than Coyote type of sound. everybody, that is the S550 Valvetronic experience. Now this car not only looking sensational with all the modifications, and we thank our friends over at Precision Vinyl Works for bringing it over, there's something very important to wrap this video all together. There are so many systems on the market, Corsa, MBRP, MagnaFlow, all these great companies out there. But if you want your S550 or S650 to sound like a GT350, this is the exhaust system. No rasp, the revs sound nice and smooth, all the way through the RPM ranges, all the way up to the red line. This Mustang with these headers, the volume is that of a car with headers, but the sound is not raspy, it's not droney, it's not overly bassy, and you get a very enjoyable, exotic sound experience, as close as we could engineer to getting you that Voodoo sound out of your Coyote. If you're looking to get an exhaust system for your American muscle car, whether you got this, a Corvette, or beyond, we've got you ready to rock on Valvetronic.com. And we will catch you guys in the next video when we continue to take incredible American muscle cars like this up to the next level. See you guys then.